Yes, next topic. Do this 158 page number. Do this sum. This is the page number 158. Once you see old book 158 page number. Do this sum. See, ages of 90 people is an apartment are given in the adjacent grouped frequency distribution. First question. How many class intervals are there in the table? How many class intervals is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is there? 7. Answer is 7. Second question. How many peoples are there in the class interval 21 to 13? And how many is there? 17. Next. Which age group peoples are more in the apartment? Apartment more peoples, how many? Which more is there? Highest number is what? 20. So more numbers, what is that? 31 to 40. Can we say that both people's the least age group 61 to 70 or of 60 and 70s are any other age? Yes. Yes. They are 62, 63, so on 69. Finish. Problem is over. It's a very simple question. 7, 17, 31 to 40. Yes, they are 62 to 63 up to 69. Yes or no? Can you? Both peoples are last age group 61 to 17. 61 to 17 means 62. Up to below 69. 79 below, say 69. That is the answer. Very simple answer. Okay, understood this one? Next, do this. Next one. Page number 160. Page number 160. What is that? Long jump made by 30 students of a class. Long jump made by 30 students of a class are tabulated as distance given there, number of students given there. First question. Are the given class interval inclusive or exclusive? Given the class interval is the inclusive or exclusive? Yes, these are all inclusive. What is that? Inclusive. Okay. Next, how many students are in second class interval? How many students in second class interval? 7. How many is there? 7. Next, how many students jumped in the distance 3.01 meter or more? How many students? 3.01 means 300 the point given. More is there. More means how many is there here? 15. That more is how many? 3. So both my next more how many? 1. So completely adding how many is there? 19. Understood? 15. First one, what is that? 0.301 or more. More means that continue how many is there? That all added to here. Okay, here 15 plus 3 plus 1. That's all. Next, to which class interval does the students who jumped the distance of 4005 belongs? How many is there? 4001 to 500. Yes or no? Distance. So, second question. Calculate the boundaries of the class interval in the above table. Above table, calculate the boundary section. This is continuing the notebook. See. First, third one is simple. Second one is the explain the notebook. Okay. Page number, what is that? Page number 160. What is that? Page number 160. Do the second question. Calculate the boundaries of the class intervals in the above table. Okay, above table. What is that solution? What is that solution? Calculate above table. What is that? 100.5. Is correct now? 1001 means this means 101. This means 101. Okay. 200 how to? 200.5. This model you write all this one. 200.5 to 300.5. 300.5 to 400.5. 400.5 to 500.5. 500.5 to 600.5. Okay, 600.5. Next, last question. Same question. This is calculated to home notes. Now this one. What is the length of each class interval in the above table? What is the length? Here to here. How much? See, 101 to 200. How much? 100. What is the difference? 100. This is the do this sum. Yes or no? Okay. Next, you have that. Next one, 161 page number. There, think, discuss and write. Okay. These 4 questions is there. They are all completed now. See here, page number 161. Okay. Now first question, make a frequency distribution of the following series 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. How many threes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 threes given. 3, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 fours. 1, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fours. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5s is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5s. 6. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2. Okay. This is the question. Now solution. Solution is the range of the observation. Range of the observation is equal to highest minus least value. Highest value minus least value. Okay. Highest value, what is that? 7 minus 1. Least value 1. How much? 6. Okay. This after in the this continue. In number of classes. Number of classes is 7. So class interval calculated. Class interval is equal to range by number of classes. That is equal to range is 6, 7. It means 0.8 approx. Okay. Now to class interval. Class interval and tally marks and frequency. Okay. Now what is that class interval? 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Okay. 7 to 8. So how many is this? Continue in the 7 is the end. So 7 extra also taken on here. Better that. Next each one. Okay. Tally. How many is the difference? 1. Here 2. What is that frequency is given? 1, 2, 5, 9, 7, 4, 2. 5 and 7, 4, 2. So now how to write the 5 frequency? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2. This is the first one. Understood? Next, second question. What is that? Construct a frequency distribution for the following series of a number. This question. See here, second question. Construct a frequency distribution for the following series of numbers. What is that? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 24, 24, 25. So hint what is given? Inclusive classes. Okay, inclusive classes given. Solution. Now solution. First, what is that? Range. Range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. There is maximum value is the 25, minimum value is 2, that is the 23. So class interval is equal to range by number of classes, that is equal to 23 by 5. 23 by 5 means 4.6, approximately 5. Okay. Now class interval do that. What is that? Table. What is that? First one, class interval. Second one, tally marks. Next one, frequency. Okay. Now what you writing? Class intervals is 2 to 6, 7 to 11, 12 to 16, 17 to 21, and 22 to 26. Now frequency is 4, 5, 10, 7, 4. Okay. Now tallies 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the very easy question. Okay. Next third one. What is asking? What are the difference between the above two frequencies distribution table? Okay. Third question. What are the difference between the above two frequency distribution tables? What is the difference? See, reason right here. The class interval of First frequency distribution table are exclusive class intervals. Next, second point, the class intervals of second frequency distribution table are inclusive class intervals. That is the difference. Class intervals. Okay. Specified here. What is the specified? Second sum here specified. This is hint given inclusive classes. So top not given to anyone. So that is the exclusive classes interval. That is the difference on third question. Last question, what is that? From which of the frequency distribution we can write the raw data? Again, what is the answer? Classes. Simple. What data given? Classes interval. Class of frequency tally. What is the answer? Classes. Simple. Next. Next one, you have try this in the 165. Try this in the 165. What is that? Less than cumulative frequency is related to. Less than cumulative frequency related to what? Upper boundaries. Next, greater than cumulative frequency is related to lower boundaries. Okay. Write the less than greater than cumulative frequency for the following data. In this following data, cumulative frequency write in. So now you take into notebooks. Third question. This is the page number 165. Okay. The third question. Directly I am writing to answer here. Okay. First, what is that? Class interval. Next table, upper boundaries. Next, frequency. Next, less than cumulative frequency. Okay. One is table is the upper boundaries. Second one is the lower boundaries. Both calculating here. Class intervals I am taken to 1 to 10. Given there already 1 to 10. Next 11 to 20. Next to 21 to 30. Next to 31 to 40. Next to 41 to 50. Frequencies given. 4, 7, 12, 5, 2. Now, what is the calculation on here? First, less than frequency. Upper boundary frequency, how to that? Upper boundary frequencies means 10.5. Next one 20.5. Next 30.5, 40.5, 50.5. Now this is the less than 4. Next 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Next 11 plus 12 is equal to 23. Next 23 plus 5 is equal to 28. Next 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. This is the one frequency. Next class interval same. If the now lower boundaries. Frequency same. Here greater. What is that? Greater than class frequency. Okay, class frequency. What is that same? 1 to 10, 11 to 20, okay, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Frequencies 4, 7, 12, 5, 2. Now how to calculate on here? This is our 0.5, here 10.5, here 20.5, here 30.5, here 40.5. Now lower boundaries. This is the lower boundaries. Now what is that? 4. 4 calculating on that, it means how much here? 6, 1, 4, 7, 12, 7, 18. Next, lower boundaries you take into here 26 plus 4, that is equal to 30. Here 30 out to come. Next, here lower boundaries, what is that minus on that? 17 plus 19, 26. This number came. Next one now 12 plus 7, 19 came. This number came. Next one now 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. This number came. Next last 2 only, no numbers. Okay, this is the calculating of third lesson, third question. Inclusive intervals, class intervals upper model, class intervals lower boundaries, both will calculate. Next same page number, fourth question. What is that? What is the total frequency and less than cumulative frequency of the last class in the above problem? What do you ifter? What do you ifter? Okay, now fourth question, page number 165. Okay, fourth question. What is total frequency and less than cumulative frequency of the last class in the above problems? What do you infer? Solution. See, the sum of the frequency in the above distribution table, how much? 30. How much? 30. So less than class frequency of the last class interval is 30. So sum of the observation, sum of observation less than class frequency of last class interval. So that is the reason. Understood? See here, Page number 168. Okay. Here, think, discuss and write. What is the question? All the bars or rectangle in the bar graph have. What is that? Same width. Next, does the length of each bar depend on the length of other bars in the graph? No. Does the variation in the value of the bar affect the values of other bars in the same graph? No. Where do you use vertical bar graph and horizontal bar graph? Use it to where? Present the equal widths corresponding to the given frequency. Okay. What is that? Present the equal width of corresponding to the given frequency. This is the discuss. Next question. 169. 168 completed. Okay. 168 completed. Now 169. There. Try this. Observe the adjacent histogram and answer the following question. What is that? What the information is being represented in the histogram? What represent histogram? Represent the, what is that? Students. Okay. Students who watch the TVs. What is represent? Students and who watch the TVs. That is the represent. Here, watch the TV and students. Next question. Which group contain maximum number of students? Maximum numbers, how much is there? Fourth. What is that? Fourth class interval. Fourth class intervals contain maximum number of students. Next, third question. How many students watch TV for 5 hours or more? 5 hours or more, how many is there? This is 5 hours more, how much is there? 35 plus next 15. Okay, 15 also. Next 5. That is equal to 55. Next, last question. How many students are survived in the total? Survived in the total means 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 35 plus 15 plus 5. That is equal to 100. Simple. Very simple question. Next, 172 page number. There you have think, discuss and write. Class boundaries are taken on the x-axis. Why not class limits? See, this answer I am writing. Some more is there. Question. What is the question? Page number. First page number 172. Okay. Question. Think, discuss and write. Think, discuss and write. There. First question. Class boundaries. Class boundaries are taken on the x-axis. Why not class limits? Why not class limits? Answer. The difference between upper, first upper and lower, automatic lower boundaries gives the class interval, that is take class boundaries on x-axis. Class boundaries always x-axis. Okay, next question. Next question. Which value decided the width of each rectangle in the histogram? Which value? Class interval. Class interval. Next. What does the sum of highest of all rectangle represent? What is that? Sum of frequency. What is that? Sum of frequency. Okay, sum of frequencies. Okay, next. This one, page number 173. There. How do you complete this one? I'm writing, okay. All questions along with page numbers. Okay, page number 173. There, first one, how do we complete the polygon when there in no class preceding the first class? Answer. The frequency of preceding class should be taken as 0. What is that? 0. Then it should be joined. It should be joined. Next, second question. The area of histogram of a data and its frequency polygon are same. Reason. How? Because both figures are constructed on the basis of mid values. Yes or no? Mid values basis of class interval. Class interval. Next, third question. What is that? It is necessary to draw histogram of drawing a frequency polygon? No need. No need. Okay. Next, shall we draw a frequency polygon for the frequency distributions or discrete series? No. We can't. Simple answers. Next question, page number 174. They do this. Two questions is there. Very simple. Running scores, number of students given, scale given, scored given. Okay. This one, write in the notes. Okay. What is that? Page number 174. First question. First question I'm directly given to answer on here. Okay. What is that? Class interval, frequency, mid value. Okay. Class interval, frequency, mid value. Class intervals, what is that? See here. 10, 20, this one. This sum after this one. Okay. 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50 to 60. Frequencies 3, 5, 8, 4, 2. Mid value 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Okay. So run score. First graph. Okay. Graph to draw. Okay. This one I am directly drawn here. Graph to draw. What is that graph? Here 0. This after 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. Now this is the x-axis. Next one y-axis. Y-axis what is given? 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the graph, what is that? 10 to 20. These people's were going 3. So draw here. How much? 20. What is this? B. A here to start it. Where are connected this one? B to connect. Okay. Next one. What is that? Next frequency. What is that? Frequency 20 to 35. 20 to 35. So 20 to 30. 5 means here. Okay. Now here midpoint. What is that? Comes to here. This point comes to here. This is the C. Understood? Next one. Okay. Next one. 30 to 40. How much? 8. 30 to 40. How much? 8. 8 where it is? Here. 40. Okay. This is the midpoint. Connect to here. This is D. Okay. Next. 40 to 50. 4. 4 means here. Just connected to here. This is E. Next one. 50 to 60. Last one. 2. How much? 2. 2 where it is? Here. Okay. Here to midpoint on here. Here to here. This is F. What is this? F. Next. In this 2 here, how to coming on here? G. What is this? G. That not connect to 7. 70 is the middle here to come. Approximately. Okay. So run scored. What is this? Run scored mid values of class interval. This is the number of students frequency. Okay. This is the both. Very easy. Okay. Very easy. Now you write the steps on this one. What you done. Okay. Only 5 steps you completed for this. This complete after 5 steps. What is the first step? First one, calculate the calculate the midpoints of every class. Yes or no? Class interval given in the data. Next, second one, what is doing? Draw a histogram for this data and mark the midpoints of the tops of the rectangle. Yes or no? Rectangle tops is there. Next, third point, join the midpoints successfully. Next, fourth step, assume a class interval before the first class and another after the last class. Also calculate their mid values. It means a into g. Yes or no? A to g. What you done on here, same to write. That's all. Next, fifth one, not a fifth one, continuously, and mark on the axis first class is 10 to 20. So to find the class preceding 10 to 20, we extend the horizontal axis in the negative direction and find the midpoint of the imaginary class interval 60 to 70. The last point, join the first end point B to A and last point F to G, which completes the frequency polygon. Very easy. Okay, this 5 points is useful to what you done to the graph, same you write on there. Simple. Okay. Next, here you have to the scale of tickets, drama and auditorium. Thus is also completed. Very easy. Second question, same page number 174. Okay. Here class interval, frequency, mid value. Class interval, frequency, mid values. Okay. sorry, 7.5 to 12.5, 12.5 to 17.5, 17.5 to 22.5, 22.5 to 27.5, 27.5 to 32.5. Frequency 50, 30, 60, 30 and 20. Mid values 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now what is the next step on here? Graph. What is the next step? Graph. Y-axis, x-axis. Okay, this type graph coming. Okay, number of tickets, rate of tickets, graph coming on this one. Now you write to the points. First point. So first point, what is that? Calculate the midpoints of every class interval given in the data. Second point, draw a histogram for this data and mark the midpoints of the tops of rectangle. Same like B, C, D, E, F frequencies. Okay. Third point, join the mid points successfully. Fourth point, assume a class interval before the first class and another after the last class. Fifth point, to find the class preceding 2.5 to 7.5, we extend the horizontal axis in the negative direction and find the midpoint of the imaginary class interval 32.5 to 37.5 like AG. See here, AG. Okay, this is B, this is A. Now last point, join A to B and G to F. So therefore the required A, B, C, D, E, F, G polygon is formed. Okay. You have the last question on this one. Page number 175, 1 and 2. These questions after 7th chapter completed. This question's answers directly given on that. First question, what is given? See here. Question, histogram represent the frequency FTA, particular point value, since the length of a histogram represent the value of its corresponding frequency. Okay, next, second question, can you frequency polygon is the editor of frequency observation at the particular point? Yes, we can identify the frequency of observation with a frequency polygon at a particular point, since the height of the polygon is equal to frequency of polygon. That is the result. So, okay viewers, today 7th chapter completed. Okay, keep smiling. So, okay viewers, anyone first saw my video, please subscribe and like and comment there. Any doubts, you comment section, ask me. I rectified your doubts. Thank you very much. Today 7th chapter completed. See you guys. This your chapter is completed. Tomorrow we started to the 8th chapter, exploring geometrical figure. Next video I meet to the 8th chapter. Thank you.